right, this video, I'm not sure what video this is, but this machine is, this one works, this one's still broken, 37. That's it. Check out these machines. So yeah, this video, laundry is much emptier today, but I'm able to get better video. There's a big board, a big piece of wood right here. Let's see what they cut out the concrete. This is a redesigned handle compared to the older ones. Look how huge this thing is. Very huge. And these are almost $10. So it has like the new wrapper. That's 22. Two's a 30 and 6. These are the older ones. These have a different, the older handle. So here's all my clothes. I separated all of them. This is my parents. I thought this is my clothes. My brother's my. I hope you guys enjoy those. These machines.